I'm Tanya Memme.
There's a lot going on today.
I've helped over 200 families sell their homes.
So here's a tip. Remember the power of threes. I love it. And I will not rest until we sell this house.
When you think about being grateful and you actually feel it, the heart sends a signal to the brain that makes us happier, it makes us healthier, it helps with depression and anxiety. I mean, how cool is that?
And there she is, the host of Smart Home Nation, Tanya Memme.
Joining us this morning with the details is host Tanya Memme.
The next thing I did that I learned was to stop living in the past. The day I decided to stop living in the past, and it is a decision that you make, and you got to stick to it. And when you do, your life will change.
It's just practice and keep going and going and going and practicing, and then finally you're going to figure out where that place is, where you just don't really care anymore, because you being you is actually working.
On television for many, many years, and I too have had to step into my own times in my life where I've had to sort of feel more confident in the different things that I'm doing, especially like for live shots or speaking in front of thousands of people.
We are going to get this house sold and for more money. We need to make it look happy.
You brought a lot of hope to our lives.
You're making me cry.
Yes! We did it!
That's the thing. You have to be able to give and love when you feel like you have nothing inside of you to do that.
I went on a venture to interview over 100 people that hit rock bottom and got out of it. So I decided to start a podcast, which is called Life Masters, and it has taken me on the most incredible journey of my life.
I'm Tanya Memme, and now I'm on a mission to find the smartest, coolest, most innovative homes to get a glimpse of how we can all live better in the future.
We're all wishing to be there. Like, let's say that there is the corner of the carbon, right? We want to be, but I want to be there. Okay, so fine, you're gonna go there. But then when you're there, you're here. You're not there because there doesn't exist. It does not exist.
Every day, I would think and feel and envision, believing, feeling, thinking, knowing that this was going to happen. So I started this journey 7 months ago. Do you want to hear what happened in 7 months?
Yes.
Miracles happened. I would be grateful for things that were already there, and I'm not asking you to do anything spectacular. I'm just asking you to plant the seeds.